In this media, you will learn about valve trim and valve stem. The collective name for referring the replaceable parts in a valve is called the valve's trim. A disc, stem, seat, and sleeves required to guide the stem are the parts included in a typical design of trim. The basic movements and control of flow happen due to the trim. In order to bring a change in flow opening, the slides of the disc closely pass the seat in case of rotational motion trim design. The disc lifts perpendicularly away from the seat in case of linear motion trim designs. A disc is the main part that allows controls and stops the flow based on its position. It is called as a ball in case of a ball valve and a plug in case of a plug valve. The seating surface for the disc is provided by the seats. They are also called seat rings. Valve stem. During valve opening and closing, the movement of disc, plug, or the ball takes place with the help of valve stem. Proper positioning of disc must also be ensured by the valve stem. The valve hand wheel or lever or actuator is connected to one end of the valve stem. On the other end, a valve disc is connected. For opening and closing the valves, a linear disc movement is needed in globe and gate valves. But in case of butterfly, plug, or ball valves, a disc rotation is required. Using threaded or other technique, the valve stem is connected to the disc after forging. A good surface finish of the valve stem is required to avoid leakages in the sealed areas. Thus, from this media, you have learnt about valve trim and valve stem.